Hello everybody, Koman here. I'm local. So finally on this great day, I have my friend. They are came from Germany. Who they are?
Hi, my name is Merchan.
Okay. How about you, sir? Philip. So today I have a planning to see Lempuyang Temple, and also I would like to go to the beach, which is called Pirgin Beach at Karang Assam area. It will be really amazing. Check it out and keep following my channel, then you will be know how was my trip for today. Hello everyone, welcome back again. So finally at the moment I was already at Lempuyang parking. Before I go to the temple, that I must be get the ticket for the shuttle bus. So how was the trip for today? I would like to get the ticket. So the ticket, it is cost about 45,000 per person. It is already go and back through the parking.
It's like this, you have to wait in queue around 3 hours.
So for the information, if you would like to come through the temple to make a photo, at least that you will be wait about 2 or 3 hours to get a photo. So hopefully everything is running well, but let's see how's the situation whenever we get into the top, guys. So thank you and check it out. So let's go through this bus. There's a few reasons why that you must use the shuttle to go to the temple, because the road through the top is really steep, guys. So guys, if you came here, that you need to pay about 55,000 per person, and with that ticket that you already got the sarong is already included on it. However, you must be use sarong because you will be go through the temple for making photos. So that is how to make a photo, and this is the local people here will be helping you how to use the sarong. Check it out. So before you go to the temple, much better that you read all the instructions. There's the few things that you must be understand why that you must be visit the temple, and this is the instruction what is possible and not possible for you to do if you visiting the Lempuyang temple, guys. So guys, after I get the ticket, now I need to walk again about 150 meters from the ticket counter to get to the temple. And all on the way through the temple, there's so many shops that everybody will be over the fruit, cold water, whatever they are selling here. So I would like to keep going through the top of the temple, and I would like to show you how's the temple later. And keep following, don't skip any episode, then you will be know about our trip for today. So guys, getting closer and closer to the temple right now. I was already at the entrance. Whenever go to the temple, that you must be purified by the spring water. And there we go.
So you have to be patient if you want to take picture between here. You have to wait around 2.5. So during waiting, maybe you want to go to Lahangan Sweet View Point.
So there's the people offer you something if you would like to visit the temple. So guys, because there's so long queue that I would like to escape to making photo on the gate. So we decided just go directly to the beach, then we have more time at the beach. Also, if there is more time, then I would like to visit another house which is really nice to visit. So check it out, following my trip, what is the next one. So we are already going to Virgin Beach. Before that, we will be get the ticket. It is cost only 15 usually. Let me check first. Hello. How much does it cost? Dua orang?
Dua orang 30.000.
30,000. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. 30,000. Okay. Look at that view, guys. Super nice. So guys, if you would like to make a camping here, there is the area for the camping. You must be go straight over there. It is the camping zone here. So because I would like to go to the beach, Virgin Beach, then I would like to go to the left. So guys, I would like to make a stop before through the beach. And here we go, there's the view from the top of the cliff at Virgin Beach. Over there, as we already can see, there is the sunbed. The beach is so calm. You can do swimming, snorkeling over here. It will be really nice and amazing, guys. And especially the beach is not so busy yet. It will be really nice and amazing. Time to go to the beach. This is super nice and gorgeous, guys. Look at that, the view. The water was so blue, and there is a lot of traditional boat, wooden boat. So I can't waiting for more longer because I really want to go through the water. And look at that, this is really nice and gorgeous beach. Especially the beach is not so busy. Over here, that you also can get the shower, the toilet, and for your information, at the moment there is still on construction. Over here, it is will be become for beach club. So I will be give update information whenever I was came for the next trip, giving more about the situation whenever the beach club was already finished. And over here, there's exactly in front of the beach, there's the beach club will be. And then over here, there is that the sunbed. The sunbed here, the price it is only 50,000 per umbrella, and there's 2 sunbed, 2 chair and 1 sunbed, guys. So it's really nice for you if you like to come here for the enjoy your time. Super nice and cool. So I would like to keep going around this area. What else that we can find over here? This is will be really nice and amazing. So please keep following my channel, then you will know about the update situation over here. And for your information, that's the beach here is super nice, clean, especially the sand is white sand over here. So I would like to get all around this area. So look at that, the tourists will be really enjoy that the beach is super nice and clean. Especially over here also a lot of traditional boat. Super nice, guys. So and anyway, over there is the restaurant and bar. I would like to show you what else that we can see over here. This will be really nice, guys, the beach. There's the tourists already going for snorkeling. The beach is so calm. You don't have to be worried about the cleanliness around this beach. This is super nice and clean. However, over there, as we already can see, the Virgin bar, super cool. The beach is not that big. The area from the beach is not that big because all surrounding by the hills. So I can see there's only 1 kilometer left and right. Super small. It is like private over there, over here. So in here that you also rent the sunbed with 50,000, and also you can find a local massage. So I would like to go all around this area because I would like to show you more about Virgin Beach. Well guys, like what I'm saying, this area is super gorgeous. All around this area is not so busy with the tourists, and also the beach is super clean. I can say that because the beach, the water so blue, and also I can say that the water is so calm. There's not big wave. You can do really easy snorkeling over here, and if you would like to take your time here, probably 2 or 3 hours to see all around the beach, is super nice. I really recommend it for you guys. And just for your information, over here there is not so many local people, then you are really easy to walk around and enjoy the area. It's like without so busy people around you. I'm seriously, you will really love it if you came to this area. So let's go all around this area. There is super amazing day this I would like to share with you guys. So you also can get that's kind of the food over here. It's really nice. Hello, the name is Cafe Sea Breeze. Super nice. Hello, Pak. So I would like to show you all around this area. What else? This is the restaurant. There's also some tourists over here. Virgin Beach Cafe. Hello. And over here there's restaurant. Hello. Bar. Yantarika Cafe. Yantaria Cafe. So nice. It's really recommended to come here to see the gorgeous view. Warung Coca. Hello. It's super cool sunrise. It's totally different, guys. If you come to this area, so gorgeous. This is traditional stuff that you can get really nice over here. So many warung over here, guys. Exactly side by side with the beach. You can find. Hi. Yes, please. So I would like to show you all around this area. So you also can get the dress, bikini over here, or hat. Or if you would like to rent a balloon for your kids, it's really possible for here. It's not that difficult. A lot of massage over here, guys. Everybody going to the beach for swimming, and there's the kids. Even though the kids, they will be really love it if they came to this area. All around this area that we only can see is tourists. Not so many local around this area, guys. So guys, same as in our planning, that today I would like to visit Virgin Beach. After we spend about an hour to the beach, then we will go to the next one. What's called it? Tukad waterfall. So after the beach, then we go to the waterfall, and I will be see you on the next stop. See ya. So guys, finally I already at Tukad waterfall right now. So I would like to keep going through the waterfall. Then we will walking about 20 minutes to get to the waterfall. So here we go. And the ticket was only 20,000 per person. At the moment, I think it's not that busy. It's more busy in the morning, guys. There's the warung de kubu. There's you also can find Indonesian food over here, guys. So let's see all around this area. I would like to keep going. And there is happy. The name of the restaurant over here also is Happy Frog. The cepung restaurant. It is really nice. It's quite busy there. Happy to see that. So I would like to keep going around here. There has a really nice chair over there. It's like swings. So if you are already walk until the ends, there's also you will be find the change runs over here. If you would like to, you can. Hi.
Hey,
How was your stairs?
very good stairs.
Very good stairs.
Yeah, we need
Walk.
to go to the gym.
Yes, just go another few hundred meters, then you will be see another exercise. Okay, good day, sir. Alright, guys. Now I was already at the Tukad waterfall. It is already in the middle of the river. I need to walking at least like 200 meters to get to the waterfall. It is will be walking exactly in between of the rock. It is a super wet area. Like over here, you really can see how gorgeous is the area. And all on the way through the waterfall that we will see there is a temple over there. And look at this, guys. The wall is super huge. Woo. Wow. I would like to keep going because I really want to make more vlog at the Tukad waterfall, guys. I would like to turn in my camera right now. So I just keep walking, and over there is the mine of the waterfall. That the people already come there for making photos, something like that. So I would like to keep going to see more about the waterfall, guys. This is super nice and amazing. Wow. On my suggestion, try to come to the waterfall whenever it's not too late because it always is too dark. But this waterfall is super nice if you would like to come in the morning or in the afternoon. So thank you so much, Mr. Philip and Merchant. So it is today a really amazing day.
Thank you too.
Thank
It's
you.
very good.
I will see you in another couple days. Probably would like to make a trip in Bali. Thank you.
It's been a big part.
Thank you.